Welcome to December on Property Tribes, and I'm delighted to announce the launch of a themed month dedicated to tax. And tax doesn't have to be taxing, excuse the pun. I'm joined by our tax partner, Michael Wright of Rental Income Tax Advisors. So Michael, basically throughout the month, we're going to be delivering some content all around landlord tax. What kind of subjects are you going to be touching on?
We were going to do a wide range of subjects, and we were going to focus on different tips each day. We thought it would be quite fun leading up to Christmas.
A bit like an advent calendar,
yes. So we were going to look at different areas, for instance, using a lower earning spouse to save tax. We will look at holiday lets, for instance, and we can look at different capital gains tax saving measures. So we've got quite a range, and we shall release those as each day passes.
And it's very important that landlords understand that their rental income must be declared, and they can download the relevant form from HMRC as a self-employed income. But really, our advice is to seek specialist tax advice, because one important thing is that when it comes to tax, it's not one size fits all.
No, everybody's circumstances are different. When we give our tips, we will always say that although these are tips that could work for you, it's always best to seek professional advice first. Everybody's circumstances are different, and although this tip may work for you, because we've sat down and understood your circumstances, there may actually be a better approach that we can take for you.
And this really boils down to working with a specialist, industry-specific accountant like RITA, that is recommended by the Residential Landlord Association as well.
Yeah, it does pay dividends to have a firm of accountants and tax advisors who are used to dealing with landlords day in, day out. We do offer competitive fees, but the point is that we understand landlords, and our tax savings and strategies that we will put forward to you is really the key point.
Yeah, and December's quite a good month to do it as well, because obviously everybody has to have filed their tax return by 31st of January 2014, and if they're doing it in an online format. But also it can be thinking about, how can I improve my bottom line in 2014 by being more tax efficient? Yes,
that's exactly it. Just because the tax deadline has finished, it doesn't necessarily mean that's it. I can forget about that again next year. And there can be various issues that arise when you file your tax return, such as payments on account may fall due in July and the following January. If you review it throughout the year, we can see if we can get those reversed for you, or reduced at least. So there's all manner of different aspects that we can look at for you.
Yeah, so while we're just focusing on tax in December, it is important that thinking about your tax is kind of a year-round holistic approach, and to keep seeing if there's ways that you can be more efficient. So watch out on Property Tribes throughout December. Michael is going to be posting tax tips and content every weekday, and we hope you will check into the Tax Tribe and really get benefit from the contributions of Rental Income Tax Advisors. So enjoy tax month on Property Tribes.